Okay, now we're going to tackle logarithmic differentiation with respect to x. And I'm going to give you 3 different types. It's a little bit complex, so I don't know, buckle up. And remember, every time we talk about derivatives, we're talking about the function that produces the slope of the tangent line. So regardless of the derivative is the slope of the line at any given second, at any, or not second, millisecond, whatever, at any given point on a function. That's what the derivative is, the function that produces instantaneous velocity. All right. So for logarithmic differentiation, we're going to do 2 things. We're going to use laws of exponents. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use ln. So we're going to take the log of y. Now, when we take the log of x to the x fourth, this exponent, remember, laws of exponent, is going to come down in front. And then look at what we're going to have. We're going to have, when we then differentiate, we're going to have a product rule right there. So now when we go ahead and differentiate, the derivative of an ln is 1 over the function times the natural log of the base, but the ln of e cancels, and then dy dx. So I'm going to go ahead, just so it's not messy. The ln of e just cancels. You probably know that from earlier. All right. Now over here, we need to do the product rule. So x to the fourth is the f function. So 3x cubed is f prime. Ln of x is g. 1 over x is g prime. So it's x to the fourth times 1 over x, because the ln of e cancels, plus g, ln of x, times the derivative of x to the fourth. All right. So on the right, we really can't do much yet. This x to the fourth times 1 over x, that will cancel the x cubed. That will cancel. So now we have x cubed plus, I'm going to bring this 4x cubed out front, 4x cubed times ln of x. And then these both share x cubed. So we're going to pull an x to the cubed out front. X to the cube, when you factor out x to the cube, leaves 1 times ln of x. And now we just, to find the derivative, we just multiply both sides by y. But instead of y, we're going to substitute the original function, x to the fourth. So x to the fourth, that's what y equals, times x cubed times 1 plus ln of x. Remember, using laws of exponents or logarithms, these bases are the same. So now we can add those exponents. So the final result would be x to the fourth plus 3 times 1 plus ln of x. Okay, that's the first one. I'm going to go ahead and I'll just end this one, and then I'll do the next two with their own separate videos.